Who the hell is that? Don't get too close, bro.
Oh shit! Why you gotta turn like that?
Don't get too close. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at the BeDistinct channel. And for the new viewers as well, if you don't know and you're new here, I have a little bet with my subscribers here. If we get 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, my GTR style taillights that I have on my G35, I'm gonna go ahead and give them away. I'm gonna do a giveaway for my GTR style taillights for completely free, even shipping included. I'm just gonna send them to your way if you win, of course. But we gotta cross 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. It has to happen before the end of this year or else I'm gonna sell them. But on that bombshell, we are coming to our last ever car meets before we officially head to the state ref. This is our last meet before the state ref. For those of you guys who are also new, a couple episodes behind, I got stopped by the police here in California. My car's not legal, and so basically I made it legal again. Stay tuned for the episode behind that. I go ahead and convert my whole car back to stock. So basically on Friday we have that appointment with the inspection officer. He's gonna pretty much write off my check like you're 100% legal again, and then we can go ahead and clear it with the court. And then on July 31st we're gonna make it illegal times 100 on July 31st. So yeah, that's gonna happen. So yeah, basically we're gonna go to the meet before we head to the inspection officer. I'm gonna enjoy it, man. But yeah, let's head out. Don't forget to click that like button and the subscribe button. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers. I want to give away these GTR taillights. Come on. Do I really want to sell them? No, I want to give them to you guys. So let's make that happen. Today's shout out goes to Alex Bard, I believe. Hopefully I said it right. He said, "Can I be blessed and get a shout out next vid? Road to 30K, gang." Hell yeah, brother. Thank you, brother, for the support, man. It means a lot. And thank you to everybody out there who supports as well. So shout out to you, brother. And if you want a chance to be shouted out on the next vid, all you got to do is comment down below. Huh?
The first time doing it without scraping.
I know, I saw that.
Making moves.
Guys, quick little thing I want to tell you guys. When I was heading here, dude, I was literally going pretty fast, you know, street fast, like 50 miles per hour, 45. This girl is out of a street. She just pulls out, bro, pulls out. And she thinks she's being slick, like she's barely peeking on the road. And, you know, she's trying to see if she could go or not. This girl is in the middle of the fucking road. And I'm like, holy shit, I'm about to hit this girl. Like, if I don't stop, I'm about to hit. I slam my brakes, bro. And thank for the Lord, bro. Thank God I have Akabono brakes, bro. They stopped the car pretty damn fast, pretty damn good, bro. Not even gonna lie. So I just want to send a huge shout out to Akabono for making one of the best brake kits ever, at least for the G35. I know somebody mentioned that I should look into getting that insurance that covers all the modified pieces in my car. I'm gonna have to look into that because this can happen anytime and you never know what could happen. If you guys are debating whether you should get Akabonos or not, bro, I know they're $2,000, but trust me, they're worth every penny. They save your life, they save your car. What more of a reason do you need? This man just loves In-N-Out, bro. He wants to be sponsored by them so bad. I was talking to him. I think we could get a Miata in the channel, bro. What do you guys think? Getting a Miata in the channel and the Z at the same time, dude. I'm trying to work things out, bro. I'm trying to do some voodoo magic for you guys and just freaking go full send, freak finance principles, and just freaking go full send on a Miata and a Z at the same time. I think it would be a nice daily driver, and he's saying we could do a lot of modifications to the Miata for like very cheap. So I think it would be a very, very nice build. So I don't know.
Cheap. Wait, so where's the meat at?
$4.85, bro, in El Grove. Hell no. We're stopping this thing at 30 max. 9. Oh, damn it.
Now you gotta go to 40.
No, hell no. Oh yeah, we're arriving at the meet right now. Seems like a cool amount of people right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. We see some cool cars. Hopefully the last freaking meet of the day, of the week, of the month. Oh no. Hopefully I don't hit no one fucking while vlogging at the same time. Alright guys, we're gonna go around, see what kind of goodies we see out here. That look at that 370, bro, with some freaking. Hey, this is nice. What the hell? Go tell him.
They're coming for the revving guy.
They're coming for the revving guy?
The guy with the motorcycle is just revving.
Oh shit, we got a Ferrari Enzo. Oh shit.
Okay, sounds good. I appreciate it, man.
Hey bro, Robert, tell me something about this car right here, bro. This kind of looks like an Evo. Is this an Evo?
It's a Corolla.
It's an IS
It's a Corolla?
300, dude.
How come it's got like Evo tail lights, bro?
I don't know.
It looks kind of sick though. Eliminate, shout out. This is like a GTA car.
Yeah, dude.
They combine hella cars and shit.
Yeah.
Sheesh. The white wheels. Damn.
That bike?
I had a bike.
That's just clean. Damn, they're in the damn sidewalk too, bro. No chill. No. Welcome y'all to another sad day in California. You guys already know, man. The laws out here are crazy, man. If you haven't watched the episode, go watch last episode. You understand a lot. Anyways, right now we're gonna head over to my friend's house. They're all prepping their car for Incivion Fest. That's gonna happen this Saturday. It's a car show that we're having in Livermore here by the Bay Area. Lots of sick builds are gonna be there. Built Evos, Paganis, like from exotics to imports to, man, you name it. It's gonna be a pretty rad freaking car show. A lot of sick builds. It's not your regular car meet. There's gonna be some sick builds out there. So I'm excited for this car show. Hopefully I get to see some of y'all there. I'm gonna be there and a lot of other my friends. And so we're gonna go out there, help them finish their cars and their builds ready for the show. So I'll pick up the camera once we get there. Just got here to the station. Got Janzilla. Whew. It's like the Fast and the Furious movie over here showing up. Oh shit. Sheesh. Damn, new body kit for the boy. New rear bumper, right?
Yeah. Can't tell that size over there though.
It's just fire. You got a nuke back here. What's this?
Yeah,
What the hell? Let me show you guys.
Oh, that one might be it. That's a 19. So I don't know
Oh,
why it's so
that's
tight.
hey, guys, pay attention. You bought these from Pittsburgh, but you Harbor Frights. You got these in Harbor Frights, huh?
I'm afraid.
Whatever, you got them there, huh? Cause I
Maybe.
broke mine the exact
Maybe-
same
maybe-
way, and it's the same one. That's how I know. Cause I broke mine too. Dude,
Yeah.
it's down. It's down. Don't. Why are you pulling it up?
Down. What are you talking about? This would be tightening it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, my bad.
See that?
He was tightening it this whole time.
You were tightening it?
No, I was doing. Bruh, you can watch
Was
the
he
clip.
pushing- was he
Roll the
pushing
clip.
down?
Roll the clip.
Was-
Roll
He
the
pushing
clip.
down?
No, roll the clip. You'll see
He's gonna put the clip in reverse, bro.
Yeah, you.
Did you push down? Did you
No.
push down?
I was fucking. Roll the clip, bruh. All my installations have been A1, bruh. You guys know. Come on.
What happened?
All my installations
Hey,
have
show
been
that clip to your
A1.
mechanic.
Huh?
Show that clip to your mechanic.
He's
Nah,
gonna.
from
He's,
what I heard.
he's gonna roast me.
From what I heard.
Oh! Truth comes out!
Who the hell is that? Don't get too close, bro.
Oh shit! I gotta turn like that.
Don't get too close. Oh. Alright, y'all. We're back at home tomorrow with another video. Thursday, the last day before the state rep. I'm a little nervous and I want to prep because if I don't get this right the first time and I fail, the process will extend like another 2 months, and I do not want that. So tomorrow we're gonna prep for the state rep. Make sure this thing is as legal as possible, although it's kind of hard when you got a carbon hook on it and it looks this flashy, but I mean, it's really stock though. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys with more info on that tomorrow. Thank you guys for all the support. Let's hit 30,000 subscribers to get those GTR taillights, and I'll catch you guys next video. Be safe, love you guys, be distinct, peace.